friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. In the previous different video I asked you for the help of diagnosing that engine noise, right? This engine makes horrible noise when you get on the throttle, right? When you step on it, and it makes a terrible, and I will tell you what it is. It's an exhaust. Did you hear that? Maybe I should make it for you one more time from elsewhere, right? I should show you. I should climb in the engine bay actually using this ladder. Position the camcorder here where it is most hearing, or we don't need to do that. Do you hear that sound? That flatting, rattling sound? Well, I ask you for help, and hopefully you guys guessed that it's a problem with the exhaust and the exhaust manifold. So here is the ladder, and I will film it for you and show it to you from here too. Did you hear that? Yeah. And now I will show you, everybody, what's the cause. So I have a light for you ready, and let's focus on that area. So you see the top and the bottom of the exhaust manifold. Now if you look with me through here, there is the nut. And right next to the nut on the left side right now, actually maybe we will spot the blackened area. It's completely loose. There is missing gasket. Nobody installed any gasket. And oh yeah, now it's finally showing that black escaping on that side. When the exhaust was still cold, I put my hand there, and there is basically huge blow by at that area. So this needs to be removed, put a gasket which is missing there, and then retightened together. So here you got it, my friends. Sometimes the explanation is very easy, right? Missing gasket between the exhaust manifold and exhaust pipe. Who will ever think so, right? I was guessing that there is a crack in the exhaust manifold because it was so loud, but yeah, we just discovered, and I rechecked, all those nuts were tight, right? There was no problem that it was loose. It's just completely missing the gasket. So I hope you enjoyed that, and make sure you are subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.